And today is the puppy 5-week update. Here's River. Riley's playing with Toby. We got her. Come here. Got her. Here's Riley. Ow, they're chewing my feet. River. Ow. So, some stuff. Well, I guess we're making a long noise. I'm very tired today. It's 1:30 and I'm so tired. I woke up at 10. But, yeah. So, the puppies, usually are only in their box for about 7 hours a day now, just during the night. Because we go to bed about 1. That's when we put them away. And then, River, this is too many years. River usually wakes me up around 8 in the morning for the last 3 days because she doesn't like being in the box. So tonight I'm going to be letting them sleep in my room and I'll be sleeping on my bed. And yeah, so hopefully I won't have to wake up at 8 in the morning. Hopefully I'll get to sleep in a little bit. That might be why I'm so tired, because they wake me up all the time. Ow. Well, River does. Riley is good. She just sleeps. But River, she does not like being tied down. And it's funny because River doesn't even, it's not like she wants people. She just wants to be out. Like Riley, she's the one that, whenever, in the morning when I take her out, she'll start wagging her tail and she'll run up to you and she'll start licking you and stuff. But River just is like, I'm out. Peace. So I'm getting over a cold right now, so they're chewing my fingers. Ow. But yeah, we give them wet food about 3 times a day now. We're going to actually try a type with shredded chicken in it today and see how well they handle that. And that's going to indicate whether or not they're ready to start thickening the food, adding softer puppy food into it, like hard food that's been softened with water into their regular food or not. But yeah. Also, in these pictures that you're going to see at the end of the video, they will not have Easter pictures, even though yesterday was Easter. But next week we'll have Easter pictures because I'm going to be taking Easter pictures today. But I want to get this video up as soon as possible, so you'll see those next week. So yeah, or maybe I might just make like a little mini slideshow of the pictures I get of them and post them tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Here's Toby. Oh, please not. Alright, it cut out. But yeah, they don't like being in their box anymore, and they like just like here. They just woke up, so they just want to play right now. But yeah, that's basically all. They just are normal puppies now. They sleep, they play, they eat, they run around, they cry when they're locked up. So yeah, River has actually almost learned how to get out of her box, so that's why I'm like, you gotta have them sleep out here. Because I don't want them running around at night. With the big dogs around and just all that. Not that the big dogs are going to hurt them. I just don't want them to get stepped on or anything, or like a family member not know. Because I've been sleeping out in the living room with them because my room has been getting really hot. So I finally got it to cool down by putting the fan in the window. But yeah, we're going to weigh them now. Let's do that. Ow, they're both right here chewing my fingers. Excuse me, little missus, it's time to get weighed. Ow! Alright, let's put Riley on it first. Okay, River, you gotta need to move. Sit on there, honey. There you go. Good, Papa. She switched it to Mills. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so I've put this little thing in with a little puppy pad in it, and we're gonna put him in. So they can't run away. 622. You bad little puppy. Okay. Sorry, my cousin called, so sorry about that. So we're gonna just fix this real quick. No, Riley. Okay, let's put River in here. I can't get her. Come here. Okay, put her in. 668 is what I saw. Alrighty. So, they're fat puppies now. They're very fat. Alright, let's get a little bit of footage of them playing. This is from the rat mansion that I made, so don't mind that. box? I need to put the box in the closet, huh? Right. They also have little collars, so let me go get them real quick. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Yeah. This is Riley's collar. She has red. Sparkle. It's a cat collar. And it's so cute. They don't wear them all the time. And here's Rivers. Look at how cute he is. Looky. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here because my phone is almost out of storage. So thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, my hair. And I will see you guys all in the next video.